What's up, you Timmies? The country CEO back in the house, man. Look, it's been a day. I'm wearing down. This is the last one. This is number 15. 15 videos, y'all, outlining how to get started in the dump truck business. The book just kind of went through the book and all things associated with that, man. And it's been a wonderful ride to just explain to you what God laid on my heart to share with you in written form, right? Only book I know about talking about how to get started in the dump truck business. All right, so we've made it down to the last chapter, chapter number 6. In about the dump truck business, we did maintenance part 1 on yesterday, and so I want to come back and talked about some final things related to maintenance, and then I'll let you go. We talked about the fact that you need to have a maintenance plan, right? Need to have a maintenance plan. This thing just cannot be by happenstance. You have to have an organized system, and you have to have people helping you with that. Mechanics, parts changes, whoever, that are a different set of eyes than yours. And matter of fact, if some of you have no history of driving trucks, working with trucks, anything, you need another set of eyes to help you to look at that truck, keep looking at it, and to make sure that everything's on the up and up, right? So you got your maintenance plan. Now you need maintenance money, right? Go a little more in depth than I did on a previous video about that. I have raised my maintenance for each truck to $500 per week per truck, right? Those trucks are running day and night. $500 is nothing to put to the side every week for that truck. So guess what? When it's time to do maintenance, time to change all those things, guess what? The money is there for that kind of stuff. No big deal. All right, so you have to put money up for that. Don't get caught up in the spending that money somewhere else or not putting the money back at all. That kind of thing. It gonna kill you. It's gonna catch up with you as soon as possible. Another thing related to maintenance: observe how these guys are driving your truck. Go out on the job, and just watch how your guys are handling your equipment. That will cut down on your maintenance. You got a guy that's handling your truck rough. Guess what? 9 times out of 10, you're gonna have maintenance problems. You got guys that don't like to brake like they should, or slamming on your brakes and scrubbing your tires. Guess what? That's costing you money. So observe how those guys are driving your truck. That goes a long way for your maintenance. Watch this. How a guy drives your truck or how you drive your truck also affects your fuel mileage, right? If you in that fuel tank 70 miles per hour all day long, guess what? You go burn more fuel than the guy that's driving 55 miles per hour. It's a fact, right? All right, and so observe how these guys are driving. Have safety meetings with them to let them know this is what's expected. This helps you and bring down your maintenance costs. And whenever you can bring down your maintenance costs, a penny saved is a penny earned. All right? Did you get that, right? If your tires can last longer, a penny saved is a penny earned. If you get more fuel mileage, a penny saved is a penny earned, right? If that truck is operating like it should as you driving it, penny saved is a penny earned. All right? And so maintenance is the lifeblood. I'm real hard on that. I'm telling you, it's probably most weekends I got something I'm doing. All right? Even if it's just greasing and looking over. Every week, y'all, I'm looking over something. All right? All right, and so we're getting ready to head into the winter. I'm gonna try to make sure I got extra batteries on hand. I'm gonna have my battery charger ready to go in my little storage unit so they guys can grab it. In the winter, you want to make sure tires are aired up to 100 pounds because if they're not, if you're working them under the proper air pressure, that can wear them out quicker. All right, and so things of that nature, antifreeze. We're gonna probably do some antifreeze, drop the antifreeze in these trucks and go with fresh antifreeze for the winter. All right, so I got some things I'm gonna be getting ready to do, but it's all a part of maintenance. You cannot make this money and not put the money back in the truck. All right, so I'm being redundant now, so I'm gonna stop right there. Look, this has been a blessing to share with you all of this game from what God placed on my heart in this book, how to get started in the dump truck business, right? All right, so as I sign off, look, if you have not supported us in this, we would be much appreciated. You support us in this. Go cop this. Give it to your son. Give it to your nephew. Even if you're not in it, and it'll bless their life and give them something that they might possibly can look into and make a living from and be an entrepreneur in this $1 billion industry. how to get started in the dump truck business. Guys, this changed my life. This business changed my life. I'll never be the same because of it, and I give God glory. All right? This video has been valuable. You hit the like, hit subscribe, and notification bell. Cut the CEO signing off for this series and for the day. Y'all can see it in my eyes. I got weary from this series. I think this is 15. This is the 15th video today. It got me. I'm out of here. I'm gone.